all the people who are running the business or want to start a business, I have learned a very nice thing from my mentor, and that thing will change your business. That thing will increase your profitability from here to here. If you want to increase your profitability and want to run a successful business, watch this video and if you have not subscribed our channel, must subscribe our channel. So guys, that tip is that, well, I want to ask one question, that why you all guys are starting a business. Write down your answer in the comment box. And I know that you all guys have commented that we are starting the business for money, and this is the wrong mindset to start a business. If you want to run a successful business, you have to change this mindset. You do not have to give your 100% to focus on money. If you are 100% focused on money, you are starting business for money, you will never succeed in the business. So guys, what is the tip? The tip is 80-20% rule. 80-20% rule says that your 20% focus should be on money and your 80% focus should be on customer satisfaction. जब आप देखते हो बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज लाइक Amazon, Google, Airbnb and lots of big companies, what is the secret behind that company? That secret is they give 100% value to their customer. They never focus on money. They know that when we will give 100% value to our customers, then our customer will pay us money. That is guaranteed. So if you will give the value to the customer, your customer will give you money. So just focus on giving value, not for the money. So this is the tip that will change your business and change your business profitability. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel, because we provide content like this daily.